Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up a Sniper DPI Shift button on Logitech G305 X SUPERLIGHT mouse. So to do that we have to open the G HUB application on our computer and having our mouse connected to it, select your mouse menu. Now first menu to which we have to go is sensitivity menu. Here you will find your lowest DPI level and you will see that it has the DPI Shift command assigned to it. Now set it to your desired Sniper DPI level, so let's say 400 DPI for example. And now let's go to assignments. Now to cycle your DPI you have to use, of course, this key, but now we will also have to assign some key for the DPI Shift so that we can switch to our Sniper DPI and then quickly switch to the normal one once we release the button. And to do that we have to open System in Assignments and search for DPI Shift, and once you find this option you have to drag and drop it to your desired click. Let's for example use this back one. And now if we go back to sensitivity, and now if we switch to any DPI level, if we press this back button it will immediately switch our DPI level, and once we release it we'll get back to the previously selected DPI value. So as you can see we can do it like this. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.